Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing Polygel nails. So I'm just going to start off by prepping my nails with nail hardener and cuticle clippers, and then I'm going to be putting on a dehydrator and a base coat. I will try to link everything in the description box below, but I mostly got everything from AliExpress. So if you want to see how to do polygel nails, keep on watching. So I'm just cleaning under my nails to prep them now. And now I'm going in with my dehydrator. I'm taking a primer and putting it all over my nails to prime them. And now I'm going in with a base coat to seal my nails. So this is my third time doing polygel nails, so if you guys have any tips in the comments of things that I am missing, then I would appreciate that. So I'm using dual forms today, and I'm pretty sure I got these off Amazon or AliExpress. I'll link them below. So I'm just going to be putting the round edge on my thumb, and I went through and already fitted all of my nails just so that it was faster. And today I'm going to be using nail polish remover as slip. So I'm just filling up the cap, and that's a brush that I got from AliExpress. I am getting slip in the mail, but it's just not came yet. And the polygel that I'm using is from AliExpress as well. So I just take a bead of polygel and then dip my brush into nail polish remover and kind of just pat it down and pat it towards the length that I would like it to be. You don't need your polygel nail to be too thick because I don't know, it's hard to explain, but you don't need it to be too thick. It's better if you have them pretty thin. And a tip is just to make sure that you get the polygel all the way up to the sides on the dual form, just so that you don't have any gaps in your nail. So I just went ahead and did all of the rest of my nails, just putting a bead on each and then just patting it down with the nail polish remover to get them to the right smoothness that I like. I really like polygel because I can do all 5 of my fingers and then put them on instead of doing each one, and then I don't know, I just find polygel saves a lot of time. Now, since I'm about to do the pinky, I'll just give you guys a tip. When you're doing the pinky, for me, my dual form, I couldn't find a dual form that actually fit my pinky. If this happens to you for any of your nails, just either cut around the dual form or file the dual form so that it fits your nail properly. And now that I've got all the nails prepped, it's time to cure them and put them on your nails. So you just want to position them on your nails properly and then wipe away any excess with your slip or nail polish remover. And I find it best to cure each nail for a short amount of time, like 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and then move on to the next nail just so that each stays on. And then you can give them a final cure of, like, I honestly go for 100 seconds. Now my favorite part, taking them off, I just take tweezers and just kind of take them off. Yeah. So now I'm just going to be doing the same thing with this nail. I kind of zoomed in a bit, but the camera was angled so that it's hard for you to see. But I'm just going in and doing this to all of my other nails. And then I'm just going to be curing all of my nails. And now I'm just taking off the dual forms and I'm just going to be filing them. And you can just hold up, say it's your thumb and your thumb, just to see that they're both the same length. Oh, and I forgot to mention before, on my dual forms they have like squares. It's like a grid. So if you go, say, to the last grid, then go to the last grid on all of your polygel nails. Or say you go to the second last grid, then make your polygel go to the second last grid. Sorry, that was like... And now I'm just going in with the top coat, putting that on my nails and curing them. And make sure after you file your nails that you wash your hands to get rid of any powder. But yeah, that is how you do polygel nails. It is a lot simpler than acrylic, and you can do them on your bad hand even. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.